I dream I know deep up my feelings for you.
Dear viewers, today our topic is my YouTube channels. Today we will discuss in a detail. Lot of the people asking me different questions. I will try to explain in few minutes. Maximum questions. First question is that how do I find my YouTube channel? Simple is that you can see your channel's user and the channel ID in your advanced account settings on a computer or a mobile browser. First of all, sign in to YouTube. Then on second point, viewers, in the top right, click your profile picture settings, and then from the left hand menu select advanced setting, and on fourth point you shall see your channel user and the channel ID. Dear viewers, another important question is that why I can't see my YouTube channel. You may not find your channel at the top of the screen search result if your channel name is commonly used in the video titles. You have a common channel name, your YouTube channel is new, so there is chance that your name will not come on the first, second, third page like that. Second important thing is that is a YouTube channel is free. Creating a YouTube channel is completely free. Today our topic is my YouTube channel, so I will explain to you all important question related to your channel. So this question is that is a YouTube channel is free? Of course it's totally free. Creating a YouTube channel is completely free. The part that can get expensive is when you start to create the content for your channel. Another question is that how do I log into my YouTube account? The answer of this question is you sign into YouTube with your Google account. To sign into your YouTube account, enter your Google account email and password. After signing up for YouTube, signing in your Google account on another Google service will automatically sign you in the YouTube. Second important question is that how do I find my channel ID? First of all, sign into YouTube. Then in the top right, I already explained about this one. And second thing is that how do I find my channel URL, Universal Resource Locator? Simple is that sign into YouTube Studio. Then from the left menu select customization basic info. Then under channel URL you can view and copy your channel URL. Another question is that how I find my old YouTube channel. Simple answer of this question is, before going to this question I would like to explain to you that do YouTube channel cost money? First of all, there is no cost to create channel on YouTube. It's completely free and anyone can create. Simple is that. Another one is that how much money do you get from the YouTube for the 1000 subscriber? Simple viewers, you receive 55% of every dollar paid by the advertiser. You receive 55% of every dollar paid by the advertiser. The estimated earning that the average YouTube creator could expect to receive from the ads on the new video on their channel, if everybody watched the ad on their video, the advertiser paid the average $7.6. CPM is almost 55%. Multiply by $7.6 equaling $4.8 per 1000 views. Dear viewers, I explain very easy for you. Hope you got my point. How do YouTubers get paid? This is also important question. I would like to explain to you that how to do YouTubers get paid. Simple. How do YouTubers get paid? Data from Forbes shows that the top YouTube earners make 50% of their annual income from ads. You can set up a AdSense account and enable monetization. Once you create a YouTube channel, you only get paid once you reach $100 in your AdSense account. Dear viewers, it's very simple. Why I can't log in into my YouTube account? Lot of the people asking me this question. Simple is that, dear viewers, make sure you have updated your YouTube app to the latest version in the Google Play. Then uninstall and reinstall the app on your device. Even if you have the latest version, make sure you are using a Google account to sign in. Try adding your Google account to your mobile device using the instruction for the Android devices. Simple is that. Other question is that, how do you start a YouTube channel on a mobile? You can, in simple 4-5 point I will explain to you. Sign into your Google account on a web browser using your iPhone or Android phone or a PC or a Mac computer. On second point, click or tab your profile image, click or tab your channel, click or tab to create, to save and create your personal YouTube channel. Dear viewers, another thing is that how can I access my Google account? On your computer, go to Gmail, enter your Google account email or the phone number and the password. If information is already filled in and you need to sign into a different account, click use another account. Dear viewers, another important thing is that I would like to explain to you that how do I copy my YouTube channel link. Dear viewers, before going into the detail, I would like to explain today how do I find some YouTube channel. Dear viewers, the answer of dear viewers, it's very simple. How do I find someone YouTube channel? Simple is that the answer is yes. It is quite simple. Open YouTube and navigate to the desired channel page. Click on the magnifying glass icon located next to the About tab. To expand the search channel field, type your search term, press enter to validate. So in this way you can got it. Who was the first YouTuber? Javed Karim. If you ever wondered who was the first person to upload a video on YouTube, let me help you. Javed Karim posted the first ever video on the YouTube titled Me at the Zoo. Posted on April 23, 2005. The video has over 221 million views. Karim is one of the 3 co-founder of the YouTube. Another important question is that relating to my channel, who is the simple is that how much is a YouTube subscription? 11.99 per month. YouTube Premium is $11.99 per month, but it's offers a free 1 month trial for the new subscribers. Dear viewers, I would like to close my video after these 2 questions. Who is the highest paid YouTubers? Who is the highest paid to YouTuber? Beast Jimmy ranked first at the top, earning YouTube worldwide with earning of approximately $54 million US. $54 million US. Jack Paul ranked second with the estimate of $45 million US earned during the last measured year. Dear viewers, who is the owner of the YouTube? Simple is that Google LLC is an American multinational technology company that specializes in internet release services and the products, which include search engine, online advertising technology, cloud computing software and the hardware. And Dear viewers, I hope this video will be very beneficial for you. And last question I would like to explain to you. Mr. Adil asked to me, what is a channel ID? Dear viewers, what is a YouTube channel ID? A YouTube channel ID is a unique identifier for a YouTube channel. This ID can be used for the social apps or the services to show YouTube information of the feeds. Dear viewers, how do I find my YouTube channel? I explained to you briefly about this. Why can't I see my YouTube channel? You may not find your channel at the top of search results because your channel name is commonly used in the video title. That's why I already explained to you about this one. Second thing is, a YouTube channel is free. Yes, I already explained to you, it's extremely free, total free. How do I find my channel ID? This one I already explained to you one by one. How to set up your YouTube channel? This thing in the start I explained to you. That's step by step how you will set up your YouTube channel. This one also I already explained. So thank you so much viewers. I hope this video will be very beneficial for you. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much.